Hi ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to ITSnippets. Today I'm going to see what's salvageable out of my 12-year-old gaming rig for my next build. So let's get started. Things that you will actually need for this is a toolkit, in my case an iFixit toolkit. And you can just see coming in the side of the frame there, that is a metal parts tray that's magnetic for holding the screws. And you should always have spare screwdrivers should you require. Now this gaming rig hasn't been used in 12 years, it's been living in a cupboard. And as you can see, there's corrosion here, so it's got dampness or wet. And it's all over the graphic card, so that won't be salvageable. Underneath here, I have a USB card. That's not going to be salvageable either. However, the parts I'm interested in mainly are here. Now obviously I've taken the side panels off these. To be fair, I can't remember the last time I had the side panels on it. And I'm not really too worried about this mess here. But here we have a Blu-ray writer, a Blu-ray reader, a removable SATA hard drive that's hot swappable, and a DVD rewriter. So firstly I'm going to remove them. I can show you some of the corrosion before I do so. As you can see, the back part is pretty much mangled, so something's been dripping against this in the cupboard where I've been keeping it. But the drives at the front appear to be fine. So let's just grab a screwdriver. Probably a Phillips 0 will fit, so let's try that. So Phillips 0, and what I need to do is there's none there, but there's a screw there, one there, none in this one, and one there, and there will also be screws around the back side. So let's just see if we can remove these. Okay, that's too small. Kind of thought it was a bit small. So this is a Phillips 2. That seems a bit better. So I'm simply just going to unscrew these by turning them left. I'm going to do the same for all the screws on this side. And hopefully when I take them out, that one does look a bit okay. That one's a bit stuck. Place was in there just now. Find a heavier duty screwdriver. Now that one, oh, I thought that one was too big, it's not. I'm hoping that these aren't as corroded as they look. So that's them all out there. I can take the power and the SATA out of here if I like. I'm hopefully going to take that out next. We'll just swing that around. Again, you can see more corrosion from it living in a cupboard. I'm just removing the screws one at a time. Obviously, if you're installing these again, then you should install them with more than one screw on each side. As the firmer those screws hold the drive, the less vibration there is. And the less vibration there is, then the quieter the drives should be, or the quieter the system should be. Okay? So with those unscrewed, as you can see, they're pretty loose. So I'm going to flip it back around. And I should get on my knees for this. What I want to do is I want to follow these USB cables, or rather SATA cables, and just pull them out. They should be fine once I clean them up a bit. I don't need to worry about power, hopefully. Although there are power splitters there which don't seem to be too bad a nick. They could probably be reused. Okay. It's got a small hard disk drive light, which I can now just slide this out the front. And the one I'm worried about. Okay, so that's got some damage on it. It's got a lot of damage on it actually. So that may actually be broken. I may open that in another tutorial. So we'll leave that to the side just now. Again, I'll try and find the SATA cable and pull it out. And I'll move the power cable. And same for the top one. Okay, so these should now slide out. And there we go. We have a Blu-ray writer, a Blu-ray reader, and a hot swap SATA hard drive that has been removed and ready to install in a new rig. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you disliked this video, give it a dislike too. If you get feedback on this or any other videos or suggestions for videos you believe we should do in the future, then please let us know in the comments below. And most of all, thank you for watching.